Thank you for watching this video. Bimser International Corporation is the leading global enterprise software publisher since 1998. Based in New York, Bimser is active nationally and internationally. To learn more about Bimser International and Bimser Enterprise software products, please visit www.bimserint.net.
In this executive video, you will learn about eBA. eBA is a low-code workflow automation software to help you manage your business transactions and content. eBA stands for Electronic Business Process Automation. You can manage your workflows, documents, and automate your business processes on eBA software. You can work on-site, remote, and hybrid with the help of eBA. eBA is mature, secure, scalable, low-code, and trusted by reputable companies, institutions, and organizations. Choose eBA to digitize, automate, and transform your business processes to stay competitive in the marketplace.
Now, I would like to invite Michael Ferraro to the virtual stage. Michael is a pre-sales software engineer at Bimser International based in New York. Michael, if you are ready, virtual stage is yours to perform a brief show and tell. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Michael Ferraro. I work for Bimser International, and today I'll be demonstrating eBA. So what eBA is a transactional enterprise content management platform, which can manage and accommodate all types of requests. We can use it to automate every aspect of your business, and the best part is it can be accessed from anywhere, as it is mainly web-based. So this is the web-based platform here. First, I wanted to start off by showing you the document management system. I understand that your branch or your firm has thousands of employees with multiple branches across the world. So because of this, eBA will be your best choice, as it is very easy to allow every employee access to the website using profiles in here, as well as also very easy to access the Workflow Studio and manage what these employees are allowed to see and what they should not be able to see. This is because eBA has a very easy to use access manager inside the document manager. eBA can be set up to be used in every department of your company differently, and each branch can be given access to see their respective documents. And we can also set it up so that each department in the branch has their respective access to the correct files, documents, and forms, etc. That's all linked through the profiles that are shown right here in this administrator tab. So now I want to talk about the Workflow Studio. Just hop over to that. So I just wanted to give a quick rundown of what it is by showing off one project that I had done before. So this is the Workflow Studio. This is where you'll be able to fully automate every aspect of your business. You can use the studio to create forms, and these forms that you can create will take over how you do business by raising your efficiency and lowering the time it takes to complete tasks, because everything you do right now by hand, pen and paper, whether that's an expense report or a visitor sheet, can be automated using this studio. And it's as simple as double-clicking what you want to create on the form, and this saves a whole bunch of time since you have all these tools right in front of you, ready to use with no coding knowledge needed or anything. So, for example, if you wanted to automate how you can track expenses, that can be easily made using eBA. Using the forms created in eBA are very straightforward as well. They're all user-friendly, as you can see in this one, and will help you effectively transfer over from pen and paper to digital record keeping. So once a form is completed on this end, you can send it to its proper department through eBA. So let's say that you have created an expense management form and that form is filled out entirely. it's as easy as clicking a button to send that form to the proper department. That is handled through eBA's flowchart. So the flowchart explains where the form will be going once it's sent. So in this example, this form, once it's sent, will be sent to the person that they're requesting to be visited. Now, this person will have two options. They can either accept them, or they can say that they never showed up, which would be declining it. That could be because they're absent and didn't show up. And in that case, the form will be redirected and the information will be sent to a separate department, in this case, security. So we can do this with an expense management form as well. You can have it sent to the proper department once it's fully completed and filled out, and then everything will be handled from their end in their department. So all of these forms that are created in Studio can also be connected to a database, which will automatically store every expense report or any report that is created. And these reports will have their own individual database as well. So the expense reports will have their own database, as well as visitors will have their own database as well, where that makes it very easy to find what you're looking for in these databases. So you're not digging through a database that's filled with every single type of report. Every database will be designated to its own type of report. And lastly, I just want to add that your company may have multiple people working on the same file or document. In these files, there's an extremely effortless way to make annotations and notes to the team using the document manager. These notes can be seen in either live time, or you can send it as an email to the team. So I also just wanted to add that when you send a form or you want to send an update or something, everything will show up on the web page in approvals in this tab right here. So this will show you basically your to-do list. And it makes it much easier than having to look through your emails and go into your email address account and stuff when you just have everything right in front of you on eBA's website. So that's all for today. Is there anything that you liked?
Thank you, Michael, for the show and tell session on eBA platform for low-code business process digitization and automation. As demonstrated earlier, eBA is ready to help you adapt digital transformation at your organization. To schedule an introductory meeting, email to marketingteam@bimserint.net. Thank you.